Hi, my name is Paulina, this is Paweł. Today we're going to show you a choreography to All of Me by John Legend. At the end of the tutorial you will find the entire counting pattern. We are going to start by standing on the opposite sides of the dance floor. Man will take 4 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4th I'm stopping and looking at my partner. On the next 4 beats in the music is 5, 6, 7, 8. Lady is approaching the partner. On the count of 8, the lady is touching man's shoulder. Now, on the count of 1, partner is taking 1 step with the left leg behind the partner. On the count of 2, you're going to touch your partner with a big gesture. Ladies, remember that you should react somehow to the fact that the partner is touching you. So we don't want you just standing there still, but on the count of 2 he's touching me and I'm either moving a little bit or getting closer to him. Generally we're looking for some kind of reaction. That was on the count of 2. Now we want you to move your body weight on the left leg and sway to the side. And then you're going to move back to the right side, and while you're doing this, lady is going to rotate, to twist, and end up facing the partner. Let's do this from the top with the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Facing the partner at the end.